Here at home, Ventura County is seeing a big drop in the number of people dying from drug overdoses.
And News Channel reporter Mina Wahab joins us live from Ventura. Mina, what are addiction experts saying about it?
So this isn't just a decline that we're seeing here in Ventura, it's actually a decline that we're seeing nationwide. And addiction specialists are attributing this decline to a variety of factors, including a harm reduction philosophy and other things, including life-saving drugs like Narcan.
It is very hard, if not impossible, to replicate the feeling of love, belonging, euphoria that you feel when you're loaded on opiates.
Jack Mull has struggled with addiction for much of his adult life, starting with OxyContin and switching to heroin. Gradually, he became addicted to another opiate hitting the streets, fentanyl.
Slowly, my drug dealers started integrating fentanyl into their supply, and though it was more expensive, I needed less of it to get loaded. So I became very quickly addicted to fentanyl, and it really escalated my trip to the bottom.
It took Mull 7 years to overcome his drug addiction. Now he's helping others reach sobriety. He says at its core, addiction is a mental health crisis.
There's often a co-occurring depression, anxiety, bipolar 2 disorder, bipolar 1, some sort of psychotic feature that maybe preceded the drug use. People weren't treating mental health disorders in tandem with substance use disorder. So now the gold standard is really treating them both together.
From 2023 to 2024, the CDC says overdose deaths were down 17% from the previous year. And in Ventura County, that decline was even more dramatic. 30% in the first 9 months of 2024 when compared with the first 9 months of 2023. If this trend continues, 2024 will be the year with the fewest overdose deaths in Ventura County since 2019.
We're really changing, addiction from being like a moral failing into like a disease, a chronic disease that affects millions of Americans. And I think the way, as we start to destigmatize this a lot more, help is more available to everyone.
Now, experts are cautiously optimistic about what's to come for the future of drug addiction and overdose deaths declining, but it does look promising even though addiction is still a public health crisis. And if you or a loved one is struggling with drug addiction, experts recommend reaching out to a psychologist or a drug addiction specialist. For now, live in Ventura, I'm News Channel reporter Mina Wahab.